I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making power and connection checks so you don't chase phantom faults. First, unplug power, HDMI and USB, wait 60 seconds, then inspect the AC cable for damage and test the outlet with another device. Once done, plug only power back and attempt a normal boot. If that fails, boot into safe mode by holding power for 7–10 seconds until you hear a second beep. This gives you maintenance options without risking system data immediately. Once in safe mode, you'll try lower-risk options first. Choose Update System and then Rebuild Database to fix corrupted indexes. If software steps don't work, power down and remove the HDD. Remove the cover, unscrew the caddy, slide the drive out and reseat it firmly to ensure contacts. After reassembly, boot again if errors persist. Test with a compatible external USB drive, or swap a known good HDD to isolate whether the internal drive is failing versus firmware or motherboard issues. If the drive and safe mode steps fail, backup saves if possible and perform a full initialize Ps4 reinstall system software, using a USB drive with the correct reinstall file. This restores firmware cleanly. For hardware symptoms like shutdowns or loud fans, open the case to clean dust and, if comfortable, replace thermal paste to fix overheating. If problems continue, note any error codes and try a different PSU or seek professional repair. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.